All right, we're rolling.
All right. So as he comes down, he's going to come down here. This is Penzance Point. And you really, there's no obstacles here. So you can kind of just shoot straight down the middle here. And then you'll see the red can, there's no greens for a while here, but just keep, whenever there's a channel and there's no direction, like you're not headed home into this channel or port or that port, the reds are always on the north. They just default to the north. So there's no red right returning here. It's just reds are on the north. And as you come through here, there'll be a little island here with a spindle, like a tower on here. You're just going to keep that to the south. And then you'll come, there'll be another tower right here. And then this is the Straits. I'll back up a little bit. This is the Straits. There's one straight channel. And then this is Broadway that kind of shoots down this way. So these are the two choices you have. And as you come in, this marker right here, right in the middle, underneath all this writing, I'll try to zoom in here. This is going to be a red and a green. Oh, that's as far as I can go. But this one, like the bottom's red and the top is green. And that's like the split for the channel here. So that's where you have to decide, which way do I want to go? And just keep this tower. You'll see this tower looks like it's been hit, like somebody plowed into it with a barge or something. It's on stilts, it's on legs. And just keep that to the right. So the obstacles are right behind this tower. There's middle ledge. And then this is red ledge up here. Oh, I'm trying to slide the screen. And at high tide, you can't see these rocks, but at low tide or any other tide, you'll see them. And you could get a 4.5 knot current going through here. You may be fighting, but if you know what to look, just keep the red and the greens on either side. You know that the channel splits. You're good. You got it.
And the reverse coming back?
The reverse coming back, yeah. I always like to use, I use Broadway, you know. And the high-speed ferries, they'll use either or. Like if there's a bunch of boats in this channel here, the high speed's coming back and forth from New Bedford, they'll take the Straits. They don't care. They'll just use whichever one has less traffic. So the Straits is the whole thing. And Broadway is just this section right here, the Y.
Awesome.
Yeah. And then if he's on that side, you can come through here. These are the Weepacket Islands over here. They're just like grassy hills or sandy hills. You can come right through this channel here. It's almost 60 feet, 50 feet, 60 feet. It's plenty of water between the two. And this is area right here. It almost looks like you're on the coast of Maine. I mean, it's just drop dead gorgeous. It's never been forested before, logged. You come down here, and then this little cove in here is a beautiful, beautiful white powder sand beach, like the Caribbean. Crystal clear water, southwest breeze, so you're kind of in the lee, protected. You can come in here. There's a couple of rocks as you come in, so put somebody in the bow and watch for rocks. And you can pull up. You're not supposed to land your boat on the beach, but you can anchor right in there. It's about 5 feet deep, and just anchor and swim around. That's a lot of fun. That's a kind of a little hidden gem. Tarpaulin Cove is over here. That's good place to anchor up. And one of my favorites is over here, Lake Tajmu. Now this is the vineyard. So as you come straight across from Woods Hole, you come in through here, and you got to get to this pole. There's a telephone pole right here, and that's the last pole. Now, once you get around this pole, a lot of boats like to anchor up in here and just put out their, you know, those lily pads the kids sit on, and that's a really good anchorage for the day. And this harbor comes way up here, which is really beautiful in here. The land is really high. There's like little cliffs in there, and it's beautiful. Yeah, Vineyard Haven is right here. You can come inside Vineyard Haven. Where's the ferry terminal? Right here. And this is the Black Dog Wharf. And he can pull up right on the beach. Pull up right to the beach, drop an anchor. They let you. It's not like you're doing anything wrong. And go have lunch at the Black Dog or go get some food at the grocery store. Yeah. Lagoon Pond. There's a little drawbridge that goes under here. Oh, actually, no, it's not a drawbridge. But anyways, You can go through here, and there's good anchoring in here. OB, Edgartown, right here. This is always fun to go to. I like going to Edgartown. Yeah. If he needs any help going through Woods Hole, let me know.
Thanks, Dan.
Yep.